Hi guys! Magkanta ta diri sa Kalasangan for a change. Walking while singing. Anyway, it's just you need to walk kasi tumataas ng pressure natin. So back to walking. Pag winter time kasi, it's very hard to walk. But it's just an effort to go out. Once you are outside, you don't need to I mean, malingaw na kaglakaw. Ay, thank you everybody for all your greetings today. I have so far what I've seen mga 71 na greet doon sa sa Facebook. I mean sa wall. Later on, ma-replyan ko kaya lahat yan? Baka aabot yan ng 100 greetings. Yeah, go down that. So thank you very much guys for the effort, for the wishes, and for all your greetings. Salamat sa love. And I feel really special today because I know that there are so many friends concerned and love me. Thank you everybody. Salamat.